Scene script. Have you ever thought about creating your own culinary garden? Picture this, a space where vibrant colors blend harmoniously with the scents of fresh herbs, where you can reach out and pluck ripe, juicy tomatoes or clip a handful of fragrant basil leaves. A culinary garden is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a practical way to enhance your meals with fresh, homegrown ingredients. From the compact charm of a herb spiral to the convenience of a container garden, there's a culinary garden to suit every space and taste. You could even dedicate your green space to Mediterranean herbs or create a salsa garden right in your backyard. And for those with a penchant for tea, cultivating your own herbal blends could be a delightful venture. As we delve into the world of culinary gardens, we'll explore different types, their benefits, and how to create one that's uniquely yours. So imagine the satisfaction of stepping into your garden to gather fresh ingredients for your meal. Let's explore how to make this a reality. From herb spirals to salsa gardens, there's a culinary garden to suit everyone's tastes. Let's take a journey through various types of culinary gardens and explore the unique features and benefits each one has to offer. Let's start with herb spirals. These multi-level planting areas, built using stones, bricks or wood, allow you to grow a variety of herbs with different sunlight and water requirements, all in a small space. They're a great way to maximize your gardening area. Next up is container gardening. If you're dealing with limited space or poor soil quality, containers provide a practical solution. You can control soil quality, move plants to optimal sunlight, and manage pests more easily. Now let's talk about companion planting. This method improves the overall health of your garden. For instance, planting basil near tomatoes not only enhances the flavor of your tomatoes, but also helps repel certain pests. Vertical gardening is another exciting option. It involves growing herbs and compact vegetables on trellises, hanging planters, or vertical towers. This is particularly beneficial for small gardens or balconies, allowing you to make the most of your vertical space. You can also consider integrating edible flowers like nasturtiums, violets or calendula into your garden. These flowers not only add color, but also bring unique flavors to your dishes. The Three Sisters Garden is a Native American tradition of planting corn, beans and squash together. The corn provides support for the beans fix nitrogen in the soil, and the squash shades the ground, preventing weeds. Moving on to the salad bowl garden, imagine having a dedicated area for salad greens like lettuce, arugula and spinach. You'll have a continuous supply of fresh homegrown salad ingredients. For a taste of the Mediterranean, consider a Mediterranean garden. Grow herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano and lavender, which thrive in sunny, well-drained soil. The salsa garden incorporates tomatoes, peppers, onions and cilantro, giving you all the ingredients for a fresh and flavorful salsa. The tea garden lets you cultivate herbs like chamomile, mint, lemon balm and lavender, so you can enjoy fresh and aromatic teas. Don't forget perennial plants like sage, thyme and chives for long-lasting, low-maintenance options. And finally, consider pollinator-friendly plants that attract bees and butterflies, supporting the ecosystem and improving the overall health of your garden. With so many options, you can choose one or mix and match to create a culinary garden that suits your needs and palate. Starting a culinary garden is easier than you might think. The first step is selecting the right location. Consider a spot that gets ample sunlight, as most herbs and vegetables thrive in 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. If you're planting directly in the ground, preparing the soil is crucial. Adding compost or organic matter can improve soil fertility and structure. Next, choose plants that are suitable for your local climate and sunlight conditions. Some plants, like rosemary and thyme, love the sun, while others, such as mint and parsley, prefer a bit of shade. Remember, diversity is key in a culinary garden. When it's time to plant, be sure to follow the spacing instructions on the seed packets or plant labels. Proper spacing allows for ample air circulation and reduces the risk of disease. With the right preparation and care, you can start reaping the rewards of your culinary garden in no time. A thriving culinary garden requires regular care and attention. Just like a master chef perfects a recipe, you too must perfect the art of garden maintenance. Proper watering is key. Each plant, whether it's a herb like rosemary or a vegetable like a tomato, has specific watering needs. Always remember to check the soil moisture and adjust watering accordingly. Attention to the specific needs of each plant is crucial. Some plants prefer sunny spots, while others thrive in shady corners. Understanding their preferences will ensure they grow to their full potential. Pest management can be a challenge, but remember, not all insects are harmful. Learn to distinguish between beneficial insects and pests. Natural remedies or organic pesticides can help keep your garden healthy. Harvesting at the right time is also important. Most herbs taste best when picked just before they flower. With regular care, your culinary garden will provide fresh, homegrown ingredients for your kitchen year-round.